Welcome to this video on positive affirmations. In this video, we will explore what positive affirmations are, how they work, and why they matter in our lives. Positive affirmations are positive statements or phrases that are repeated to oneself, with the intention of reprogramming the subconscious mind. They are designed to challenge negative thoughts and beliefs, and replace them with positive and empowering ones. Positive affirmations work by influencing the subconscious mind and changing the way we perceive ourselves and the world around us. When we repeat positive affirmations consistently, our brains start to accept them as true, and our thoughts and behavior align with these new beliefs. Positive affirmations have the power to transform our lives in various ways. They can help us build self-confidence, cultivate a positive mindset, overcome negative self-talk, attract success and abundance, and improve overall well-being. Positive affirmations matter because they have a direct impact on our thoughts, emotions, and actions. They can help us break free from limiting beliefs, shift our perspective, and create positive change in our lives.